All right, here we are again. New York is coming up, so let's get ready. Now, we did have some numbers, the PPI numbers, which is somewhat should be a positive news. But the market did act a little bit weird. Retraced, but it's all right. We still have buy side at 983 from yesterday, that is. It's not yesterday's high, but still. Previous day high is actually right there. So I would say we can pretty much aim for the 17k, but let's just see. We're still hovering around the midnight levels. What is down here? Down here we have some yeah, we have bullish order block down there. I think we should take that out on the upside, so I'm looking for it to be broken. And also a little bit eager to take a trade. So I'm eager to take it along on this pump to the high. 83 is very, very close. And yeah, that's nice buy side up there. So I don't know if it wants to take it or not. But it definitely looks amazing up there. Oh, this is not what I wanted. Okay, there you go. There you go. Hopefully it will take it. If not, it's still cool. So let's check it out. I'm expecting for market to take out these highs. Let me show you on the 15-minute. It looks better. So I'm looking to take buy side at 983. Well above 83.75 should be the final number. I'm looking for that. And, you know, we'll see. Alright, sorry guys. I just had to make some important phone calls, unfortunately. I was waiting for this. So we took out this buy side, which is a good thing. And now I'm hoping that we might be able to move forward. Okay, we're technically looking to break the 17,000 barrier here. So let's see how it goes. Seems like it's going to take it before open. And let's look at ES is fighting its way. Let's look for those highs. Consequent encroachment on this candle is let's see, 17K and 5, 17,005. Let's look at that. Okay, we're going for that level. So far it seems like it. I wonder if we're gonna be able to push higher, or maybe just maybe we will turn lower. We have buy side liquidity up there. Let's check the 4-hour. No, it's on the daily, I think. Yeah, we still have a daily fair value gap up there at previous day high, actually. So that's at previous day high. So I would say 1758 would be my target. High 57, sorry, 1757. So I'm gonna put it to 57. I'm gonna put the low of this to 57 as well. So that's what I would be looking for to the buy side. So market is about to open in 20 seconds. And let's see how it is going to behave. 10 seconds, everyone. Get ready. This is NQ. Market is open. I'm technically bullish, hoping to go for the 50, sorry, so the 50 level. But we have no retracement of whatsoever. Next bias, liquidity is below 88. Should be digging down into it or not, who knows. Entered into a buy with a micro. This is my probe trade as usual. And if it just goes down, I'm just gonna exit. Not really risking too much with it. Opening range trade, if I may say so. So let's see what is going on. Targeting the 50s up there. And ready to close it. Ready to close it. I think it's gonna have a hard time breaking higher. It's having a hard time already. Well, let's just wait. If this 1 minute candle is going to close lower, then it could be a shift lower, so we can see a sell-off actually. Candle is closing soon, in about 13 seconds. So I have to get ready. Looks like it might want to dip. The 5 minute is pretty much has been repriced. So as far as I can tell, if the 1 minute is repricing this candle without any fair value gap, but it's, if it closes as a doji, a bearish pin bar, then we might see the continuation of the sell-off. But so far, I don't know. What is ES doing, by the way? I want to check ES. ES goes up right there. I think it's gonna go for 37. Yeah, it should go. Yeah. NQ is having some trouble. ES is fighting. So let's see what's going on. Is it gonna go or is it gonna sell? Who knows? As long as ES is fighting and wants to push higher, NQ will have a trouble for selling off. So I'm going to continue to observe ES as well. And on my other screens, I'm watching NQ too. Getting back to 17K. ES is pushing a little bit higher. There's no formation on the 1 minute. The only thing we could see on NQ is that it has repriced a 5-minute gap. But so far, ES is holding. ES is holding the level. So let's see. Still waiting. Technically, we're still hovering around the opening price. So anything can come out of this. ES wants to make a new high, I suppose. It wants to go above the 38 for now. It seems like it. It's definitely pushing it. So gotta wait. Yeah, still waiting. I exited my scalp, but I'm not happy with it. So I'm just gonna wait, and I'm not gonna do anything for now. Let's just wait. No setup yet. So here we are. I'm gonna delete this line. And let's go back here. ES is pushing it, so we can expect the 57 level. I'm watching the 1 minute. I'm watching the 1 minute. That level up there is actually the 57. Yeah, just want to make sure I mark it up there. It's 57. Let's put a line there. 57, 57. There you go. There. So 57, I'm looking for that level up there. And I'm looking for a nice fair value gap along the way. Let me put a line over here as well. Let's see if it wants it or not. But before that, we have highs at let's see the high. We have a high at 43. What's the number? The high is 43. A round number of 43. So that one. These are the ones I'm definitely looking at. Let me go back to TradingView. 5-minute TradingView chart. You guys can see what I'm looking for. This gray area up there, or I don't even know it's gray or not. Which is technically a daily fair value gap. Daily fair value gap. Underwrite. I push this here and this should be enough. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for to reach if we have a displacement. But first we have to take out 43. I think it's gonna go there, so you know. It's a long shot, but it feels like it wants to. But be careful. Can sell off any second very quickly. These candles having these wicks, not the best indication, but it should be going up there. I don't have an entry, unfortunately. I don't have entry criteria for this particular trade. The only thing I would have here is maybe a fair value gap if it would pull back down, but I have no pullback. Overall target for me would be the 57. Let's look at ES once more. Yeah, ES is still fighting. Maybe it's pulling back a little bit. Yeah, too much wick up there. It's no pullback. It's just going up. It's dangerous for me to enter here into a trade. I feel like it's just gonna move slowly. Slowly it's gonna move up to 43 or 4, or what is the number? 43. I think it's gonna go. I might take a buy here. No, I'm not. I'm not taking a buy. I'm gonna sit. Discipline, guys. This, even if it goes to 43, we still have 57. All we need is one nice fair value gap. If it's gonna give it to us, it's fine. If it's just gonna fall like a rock from here, it's still okay. As long as ES is below the 38 level, I think we are cool. Don't forget to push the like, guys. You know the drill. Yeah, so we are hovering around 23. Have to be careful because at this level it can just easily turn down and boom, it's over. As much as it looks like we have buy side up there at 57, it's dangerous. But as I said, as long as ES wants to take out 38, I'm definitely bullish with NQ. There you go. NQ is going. Uh, 57 is still my final target. Even if we pierce 43, I would like to see a retracement or pullback, sorry, a pullback down to a possible fair value gap. This candle still needs 10 seconds to close, and I need the next candle to leave a small fair value gap to enter. So this one, if this one is going higher, I think it will. Yeah, I think it will. Huge FOMO. It's actually taking out 43. The high was this, is 42.25. So the move is done, but don't you worry, because if we retrace back to 35, because the low of this candle was 35, so if we retrace back down here, all right, almost. Maybe I should have placed the limit order. All right. I'm in. This fits to my entry criteria, actually. Final TP is 56.25. For now, I'm gonna put a stop here. I know it's wider, and I'm just gonna see what it does. These are micros, so I'm looking for it to go for that 57 area. Actually, I'm gonna leave some room for it to breathe. So as long as this one is going, I'm fine with it. And the target is the fair value gap or liquidity, which has left us up there. So I'm gonna be looking for that. If I see some crazy sideways movement, I might just gonna take it off. But it should be going up there. If not, it is what it is. Let's go and check ES again. Yeah, ES is, for me, it looks good. Looks bullish. Okay. So let's wait. I'm still in. So let's see if this one wants to take that level. I'm hoping for ES. If not, I'm gonna close it down earlier. Let me know what you think, guys. Are we gonna go for the fair value gap up there, which is previous day high actually? Lots of liquid, or are we just gonna turn down here and it is what it is? I think ES wants to go for this historical high. It's very close. So if I see that happening, I might just gonna, but it seems like it wants to sell. Damn it, it's not good. It's not good. Actually, the 5-minute candle, we have a new 5-minute candle, and it's not good for us. So I'm really looking at ES to go higher. Hopefully it pulls NQ up. And if not, then not. It can spike down, take some liquidity on the 5-minute and still go up, so that's in the cards. I'm fine by that. But I'm just not sure about the rest. My god, the 1-minute is terrible. The 1-minute candles are terrible. We are printing doji candles on NQ. Just saying. Printing doji candles on the 1-minute. Nobody knows where this wants to go. Looks bullish, but it can spike down to pick up some liquidity. I wanted to take the 57 area. Heck, I would even add more if I would see a clear indication. But I'm not adding more. So. Sideways action for now. Everybody is standing still. I think it needs some more buyers. So it might be spiking down for some liquidity. NQ technically stopped. It's funny actually. Actually, it's funny. It is funny. Okay, finally. Now we're tapping down for some liquidity maybe. Come on, reach for that. There you go. Reach for some liquidity, and since I'm in the drawdown, I'm just hoping that it will change its mind and go up furthermore. If not, then it's fine. If it wants to sell down, so let it be. So far, I think it wants to sell. Man, yeah, it want to go down. Buyers were not on place right now. So yeah, he's gonna take me out. Unfortunate turn of events, but it's fine. 2 micros. I'm perfectly fine with it. I'm just thinking if this one is gonna go down, what kind of targets can we look for? Because yeah, it's taking me out now in a second. Because we do have a swing low here, but I would still be careful to go short just now. It's slowly dripping lower. So let's see. Almost took me out, but let's see what it does now. I'm telling you, if we see an up close candle, I might add 1 or 2 more micros. If we see this one go to the 57s. But if not, then it is what it is. It could be also good for a sell. There is some structure, and you know, we can go back to the 940s. All depends on what ES is doing. ES is lower a little bit. Oh yeah, it can still go down to the 15. It can go down to 27. Get some liquidity and then maybe try to go up again. So my stop is gonna be in jeopardy for sure. Don't like that. Yeah, NQ is going down as well. Damn it. As ES is turning lower, NQ is going down with it. Yeah. It's unfortunate. I'm watching ES closely and also NQ. Now it's taking me out. Almost took me out with 1 tick, but let's see. I was 1 tick away. Yeah, now it took me out. But it made a structure shift as well. So that means if this was a structure shift and it didn't manage to break higher, we can see it sell all the way down to the market open range, which was down at 73. It can happen actually. So get ready. I might be taking a short here for 20 points if I can. Or take another long here. Let's see. Looking for more liquidity. Have to be patient. You can go long here if you want to on this fair value gap, but I have to check for ES. Yeah, ES is down. This level can be protecting ES. Oops, sorry. There you go. So ES is going down. NQ is going down. What the heck? Look at that. NQ is going nuts. It already went through. So it has only one target left, the 40. Or it might want to go back. Be careful with the shorts here. There is a fair value gap below 40 for liquidity if it wants to grab it. But I don't know if it's gonna sell through it or not. So that fair value gap is down there, and we have an order block also, which is down there. So I'm not sure if it wants to go for it or if it wants to take it. That one, I don't know. There's a 5-minute order block down there. Bullish, that is. Okay. I don't know what happened. I think we just spiked lower, but didn't take it. I still think we're gonna take that, but what the heck is ES doing right now? I don't understand. Is it gonna hold or not? Because I can't decide what it wants to do. Let me know what you guys think, and please push a like. Not entering to anything. I'm staying flat. So on the 5-minute, NQ did have a structure shift, so I give it that. The only problem I have is that we didn't really took significant buy side, or not even sell side. We could be just hanging inside this internal range for a while. Viox, hey there, hi there again. How you doing? How you doing? Into any trades now? Let's see. 78. You can go down to the 40. I feel like. Okay, now it's going up again. ES. No structure shift on ES. And that's why I would think that have to be very careful with NQ. Wasted too much mistake on trading. I took risk. Get 500, but it's just gambling. I can't change my mind. Yeah, you know, if you're taking some extra risk, it's actually not a big problem if you know what you are doing. I know how it goes, and you know, if you're taking some extra risk, don't be hard on yourself. It's fine until you know what you are doing, until you have your plan, you know. Then it's completely fine. Just have a plan. Know where to stop if you're taking that extra risk. Just know that you want to stop at a certain point or a certain profit or loss level. So you made 500, which is cool. As I understand, you made 500. Okay, boss. Yeah. So it's absolutely cool. Don't worry about it. I'm still bullish on NQ. Despite this sell-off, it can be a fake out and then the real move is going to continue higher. This one feels bullish to me. I saw this too many times. But again, it's just probabilities and stuff like that. Of course, we do have those people, traders, who are going in with 15 contracts or more, which is great. But you know, for me, one contract is super high, for example. But I used to trade with one contract on my fundeds as well. Two contract is as well. You're just doubling up your risk there with two contracts, so have to be careful there. Actually, this inversion gap is looks really cool. Inversion gap, what am I talking about? Come on, Tom, get your shit together. This one here I like. So what I'm gonna do is I might going to add 2 micros here. Added 2 micros, and I'm willing to close them if they're willing to mess with me. If we can use this as an inversion, then that would be great. That would be super awesome. Or it can just sell off like crazy. Okay, it's selling off. One contract is 10 micros. Yes, one mini contract is 10 micros. Yes, exactly on NQ. Yeah. So that is way lot for me. I think it's gonna sell off. Let's see if the 5-minute or the 15-minute is gonna make a difference here. Not really, right? Not really. But still, let's hope. Are we gonna get it or not? That's the big question. What is gonna happen? Are we gonna push those lows, or we're gonna have a turnaround here? I don't care which one is happening first. I just need to know. I mean, I don't care which one is happening. I just need to know which one is happening first. Are we gonna go lower, or what the heck, you know? Is it gonna take out those lows or not? That's what I want to know. Or are we just gonna, you know, skip higher? It should decide. I was bearish but didn't check news. Well, now it's 50-50, yeah. Again, it can still attack the buy side. But I just don't know what it wants to do. If these lows are holding up, then anything can happen actually. We can still see it go all the way up to that 757. What was the level? 750 something. I don't even know. 757. I'm sorry, 17,057 is what I meant to say. But it all depends. Do they want to grab some more liquidity here, or do they just want to send it higher? You know, the low of the gap, which is the liquidity, is at 40 actually, so not that far. It's not a big stretch for NQ, but I don't know if they want it or not. And actually the midnight level is at 48. So we can go back to discount, I guess. I want to see hourly fair value gap along with the XI. Yeah, sell side looking taken very close now. Yeah, we have sell side below 40, by the way. So just check out the 15-minute chart for sell side below 40. There is sell side there. So go and check it out. It's close actually, but I don't know if it's gonna take it or not. Yeah, so the sell side is below the 40, but yeah. I'm 60% bearish on this. Well, as I said, it can go down, and it went down. It actually went down. Interesting, right? Hmm. So it went down. I know why we trade mostly opposite thumb. I'm more on higher time frame and you trade more lower time frame. Yeah. Yes, it can be the situation here. I'm watching 1 minute and maybe and 3 minute, 5 minute of what's going on. Still interesting. Now that it took out this fair value gap here, down here that is, now we can look for maybe a structure shift on the 1 minute or the 5 minute. As long as ES wants to go higher, it also poked into that level. And it was interesting. All right. My funded futures code. Let me modify it. Done. Okay. ES is down there. NQ is not doing anything. I'm not looking for anything particular. I'm up overall today on this account $300. Yeah, about $300 I'm up. I was starting from 136. I can show you guys, by the way. This is a my funded futures evaluation. Today I started from 136 and now I'm standing at 445, so I think I'm okay. This is a 50k, of course, and that's it. It was a little bit, how should I say, risky? It was. Okay, something is happening on Nasdaq. We might be having structure shift, not really, right? Let's check the 3 minute. No, nothing. Not a real structure shift that I was looking for, but this one has a nice one on the 1 minute. Yeah, $200, $300 is a good target. Definitely is a good one. So, especially on a 50K account. So, but I just started this one out. So, ES is having a nice long setup here on the 1 minute. I usually take only ES like about 10% of the time, but the 14.50 level looks tempting. So I'm looking to check it out. All right. It's not opening up my micro ES. There you go. I'll see you later, Viox. Thank you for being here. Let's see if we want to take this higher, or is it gonna just drop? Okay, so what I want is 1 micro on ES, entered to 1 micro on ES, to a buy on the 1 minute, and adding 1 more. So 2 micros overall. That's it. 2 micros on ES. Okay, 13. So I put one sell limit up there. One sell limit is at 17.25. The high is 17.25. Okay, took one off. And I'm leaving one runner on to reach for the highs. So I have one runner from 1375 on ES, and that's it with one micro. My entry, I'm gonna put it out here, is 13.75. My stop loss is actually right there right now. It's at break even, and my final TP should be above there. 25.25. The high of this is 25, so that's where my final TP should be. Yeah, there's my final TP up there. I'm already at break even, so if it goes against me, no problem. Maybe I should trade ES more often, right? Okay. I think this level wants to hold here so far. Maybe they will take it back to 25. That's my goal. This session, I know it's a little bit more boring than usual. Maybe I tune into Methodical Man's stream. Let's check out what he's doing.
What you been up to this morning, Juker? Taking any trades? Are you back to the trading grind, or are you still taking time?
All right, ES is gonna take me out.
So ES losing the VWAP there. Rumble in the jungle in the house. What's up? Been doing good. Nice. Rat Lord the Scalp King. Darn it.
Yeah, so this is the only trade that we're doing right now. Actually, this one here on NQ.
Spam it. I'm going to spam Rat Lord. Oh, wait. We sent too many breaks, too many messages. Take a break.
So this is also a good entry if you're bullish, but I took it on ES. It might gonna take me out, but
You need PayPal.
it might gonna take me out. I just took off my limit.
I'm trying to win. I'm trying to win. Rat Lord the Scalp King is telling me I'm doing it too many times. Won't let me do it. Who won? I don't know who that is. Tom Sabo in the house. Rumble was up big pre-market and gave it back on that pump. That sucks. Now you're back to break even, though? Yeah, break even's good. Bagat Shahal won.
We are just hovering around here. Nothing is happening. Terrible price action. I'm almost out of the position.
I don't know. We got equal highs above.
One handle away from my sell stop, actually. So almost taken out. I'm still in. One handle away. All right, I got taken out.
It's 270 points below Rumble. I mean, we might get there, but you're probably going to go up first, but we'll see. Whew, man, that got my energy going. Wow, I had to spam the messages there to pick up the win. I don't know who this guy is. Is he in Max Chat ever? I don't know. I think he is. Bagat Shahal? No, I don't think he is. Is he? I think he is in my chat.
Okay, so I got taken out break even. Let's look at it. What's going on? Not much is happening so far. I can tell you that. We are in the silver bullet hour, but I'm not sure that this silver bullet is the one that we're looking for. What is NQ doing? NQ stuck here. If we look at this range, we're in a barcode chart again. You know, the waiting game is the waiting game, guys. What can you do? What can you do? As far as I can tell, the 5 minute was looking good for a short. And it's still valid. Actually poked down lower, but I would love to see this bullish order block being taken out. So I think the road is clear until at least the 910 level. It can be a ranging day, so we're just taking out internal range, which means that We could be good for more sells here. And so far, I think that's what we're looking at. Let's see. Are we gonna go down or not? Seems like not really. What about ES? Nope. NQ wants to go higher, it seems like. Who knows? Who knows what NQ wants to do here? Look at that. It can't make up its mind. And what do we have here? We still have the London lows here at 866 if it wants to sell. But we also have the news candle here on the downside. So if it wants to go, it can go down all the way to 1915. So that's where I'm going to put my buy limit, as I meant to say. I might put it to break even, who knows? Who knows? It wants to retest, maybe. Pulling back up. Yeah, because ES pushed lower. Now NQ is getting back higher. Wasn't really the thing that I was looking for, but ES got pushed back up there. Let's see if NQ wants that or not. Let's see if NQ really wants it or not. If I would have to guess, I'd say it wants it. I would like it to go down all the way to the 15, 915. So waiting. I'm more likely bearish on this one, but since ES is fighting, it can still push up there. We had a nice run though, so as much as I can tell, NQ can still be making a new low here. I like these levels down there. Let me show you. Down here. I do like that. But you have to wait for that. So let's wait. Looking for that level. If we're gonna go down there. But if we're gonna go down there, well, I'm gonna put it to maybe 930. So my final TP is gonna be 930. Let's see the high of this candle. Okay, 930.50. That should be my TP there. But we'll see. Slowly going there. Should break this low. And maybe reprice this area down there. All right, I'm flat. I'm out. I made over $400 on this account today. So I'm fine. It's just my funded futures evaluation, and there goes my TP. Started from 136. Now I'm at 547. I think it's enough for a Friday, especially on a Friday. So I'm not going to push this account more. Especially, it's good for micros. So I'm fine. I'm fine. I am fine. Maybe I'm gonna do a brief video about this later on. But it's cool. It's a boring session, and the kill zone is technically almost over, so I think I'm just gonna let it go. I consider this as a good day, so I'm not willing to risk it more. Look at that, it's going down. Okay, I think this is it. I'm gonna cut it. I'm not gonna wait for more trades. I made my share, and this is it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm gonna do some content on YouTube on the weekend, and for Discord members, I'm gonna be putting up some stuff as well with the new indicator. Make sure that you subscribe and follow the channel and push the like. Check out my links, grab your discount because it's a 50% at my funded futures. Don't let it go, and see you guys on Monday, and check out for my new content on YouTube. All right, so that's it. Have a good one. See you guys the next time. Cheers.